Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to easily hide apps on Android, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and go to the app drawer and you can find all the apps here. Now to hide one of the apps, tap on the three buttons on the top right here. A small menu will pop up from there. Tap on Home Screen Settings. Now from this screen over here, scroll down until you find Hide Apps, tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the apps that you want to hide from the app drawer. Let's go ahead and choose these three apps. From here, just tap, let's choose a camera too. From here, tap on apply. From here, just go ahead and quit. And you'll find that the apps are not there. You cannot find them until you go back to the three dots and then to the home screen settings. And then scroll back down to hide apps, tap on it, and then tap on every single app individually. Once you do that, after you tap on apply, the apps will be back to the app drawer. And that's how you do it, guys. Now, if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to such tech problems.